Okay, this is a slightly different video to the ones I normally do. Here we have a Nintendo Entertainment System console, or NES console, which is extremely badly yellowed. The top plastics are not exactly what they should be. So we're going to attempt to remedy this situation using the Retrobrite method, for which we need three basic components. A hydrogen peroxide solution, which is going to be provided by this. B Blonde 40, which is 12% hydrogen peroxide, and handily comes in a cream form. We also need this cling film. And the third and final item is ultraviolet light, which is going to be hopefully provided by the sun. Okay, so here's the console top removed, and the fittings have been removed as well, and the door obviously now comes away. I don't know whether the camera will show this, but the inside of the lid of the console shows you what colour it should be. How good that will come out on the camera compared to this. Right, now we just need some sunshine. Well, amazingly, looks like we're actually going to have some sun today. Who'd have thought it, eh? June in England, sunshine. So, time to put the gloop on. Spot mistake. lid. Isn't that it? Now we're just putting it out in the sun. Right, well, it's been outside for 5 hours and it's been pretty sunny most of the time. We've rotated it and moved it around, so it's got a reasonable exposure. So now it's time to take the cling film off and wash the stuff off and see what we've got. So, did the process work? Well, yes and no. The door's come out quite well. I think you can see that. Pretty much all the same colour inside and out now. The main case, certainly the top, was successful. The sides and the front, here and here, yet less so, as you can still see. There is still some yellow in. The back wasn't too bad anyway, so it was less successful on the sides than on the top. But that's probably got more to do with just not having enough sun on those areas, because the top has definitely changed completely from what it was before we started. So other than being a bit mucky, this process is obviously pretty damn good.